Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Gemini and importing the photo you will edit. This gets the model context quickly. Once your image is loaded, make sure to pick a clear primary photo and confirm any permissions. You should crop or rotate now for composition. This guides Gemini's adjustments. After that, choose Edit Mode and enable Auto-Suggest if available. This speeds up baseline fixes while you plan targeted changes, and it prevents wasted, undue steps later. Now you apply Gemini's AI tools to refine the image. Start with Auto Enhance to correct exposure and white balance. This creates a neutral base. Then use selective tools, Brush to dodge and burn, Heal to remove distractions, and Smart Replace to swap objects, because local edits keep detail intact. You can also type prompts like Increase Subject Contrast or Soft Cinematic Tone to get targeted adjustments. Make small increments and compare with the finish by previewing the image at full size and toggling the before/after view so you can judge final impact. This avoids surprises after export. Choose export settings: JPEG for online, PNG for transparent elements, or TIFF for maximum quality, and set resolution and quality sliders accordingly. If you see halos, color banding, or odd artifacts, undo the last aggressive filter or lower strength. Alternatively, reapply with smaller increments, because incremental tweaks maintain natural results and reduce AI hallucination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.